So you're probably asking, why a 100-year-old house to purchase? Why? Doesn't make any sense, does it? Actually, it kind of makes a lot of sense. So one of the best things about this property as an investment is it is actually 3 different investment areas or opportunities, not just one. We've got the house, the main house there. So here we are outside and we're gonna walk around. There's Sam. So what are we doing here?
Just working on the ceiling. Fixing some of the old boards, sealing them, painting, and then just getting the deck and porch ready for pillars and paint.
Yeah.
It's coming along now. It's
Awesome.
looking good.
And we've got guys, he's got his team up on the roof. They are scraping paint and starting to prime the house. So we've got white primer and we'll have a different color paint in the next week or so. We're doing gutters, removing wood rot. It's a whole project. And then we have a garage, which will likely be turned into another garage plus a guest room or ADU, which stands for accessory dwelling unit, which could rent separately or Airbnb. And then the coolest thing about this house is it has a second side lot as city lots go. It is about 40 feet by 120 feet of buildable space. And we'll have a driveway probably coming in from the side street here. And so there's 3 opportunities to make money in one lot in one house, which makes it an amazing deal. So that's it. That's what I'll be doing the next few months. Going to take you along on the journey and hope you have a lot of questions and we can answer those. I got a lot of my information through the BRRRRPockets website and BRRRRPockets community. So if you're interested, I will send you down that path as well. But until then, until next time, be well, stay dry, talk to you soon. And if you need a good junk guy, this is Sam's other business. He comes and takes anything you need for him to take away to the dump.